And then you could do like one of my other mentees, take that money and go invest into your IRA. So even this is a business course, real estate course. But guys, I'm teaching you how to set up to retire early, right? Your IRAs. If you don't have one, we're gonna get you one set up because that's an individual retirement account, right? You need to have that set up because guess what? You can buy houses inside of your IRA, or you can pull the money out and go buy a property with it. I did that several times. You can pull the money out and go buy a property with it. And not only are we doing IRAs, we converting them over. We converting the IRAs over. So it's a whole lot of just investing, man.